Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we're going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 82, language. Present progressive tense practice. In order to complete this page, you need to back to the previous page. Okay, present progressive tense. Remember, the present progressive tense tells about an action that is happening at the moment and will continue for a while. It is formed by using the verb to be in present tense and adding ing to the verb, to the action verb. For example, I am learning new things. She is doing her homework. They are working very hard. I am, she is, they are. Okay, now write am, is, or are and add ing to the action verb on the right. Turn these sentences into the present progressive tense. For example, number 1, she is washing the dishes. Please continue with the number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, your attitude determines your direction. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.